Hey everyone, welcome back to the AI Nurse, your go-to channel for blending cutting-edge AI with everyday nursing wisdom. I'm your host, the AI Nurse, and today we're diving into something that's a game changer for busy nurses like you. How to use AI to stay updated as a nurse in less than 10 minutes a day. If you're a nurse, you know the drill. Long shifts, endless patient care, and that nagging feeling that you need to keep up with the latest medical research, guidelines, and tech advancements. But who has time? Between charting, family, and just trying to catch your breath, staying informed can feel impossible. Well, what if I told you AI can handle the heavy lifting? In this video, we'll break down simple, practical ways to use AI tools to curate personalized updates, summarize key info, and even quiz you on it, all in under 10 minutes daily. No fluff, just actionable steps tailored for nurses. Stick around till the end for a free AI prompt template you can copy and paste. Let's get into it! First things first, why bother staying updated? Nursing isn't static. New protocols from the CDC or WHO drop regularly. Think updates on infection control post-COVID, or the latest on opioid prescribing guidelines. Research in journals like the Journal of Nursing Scholarship or The Lancet could change how you handle wound care or mental health screenings. And don't forget tech. Telehealth tools, wearable monitors, or AI-driven diagnostics are evolving fast. Falling behind means risking patient safety, your license, or even burnout from feeling out of the loop. But traditional methods, scrolling PubMed, reading newsletters, or attending webinars, eat hours you don't have. Here enters AI. It scans, filters, and delivers bite-sized insights so you can focus on what matters. Okay, let's map out your 10-minute routine. We'll build it step by step, starting with setup, which takes maybe 20 minutes once, then daily habits. I'll recommend free or low-cost tools and explain how to nursify them, meaning make them relevant to clinical practice, evidence-based care, and specialties like ER, pediatrics, or oncology. Step 1. Curate your sources with an AI-powered news aggregator. My top pick? Tools like Feedly or Flipboard, but supercharged with AI. These apps pull from RSS feeds, basically automated updates from websites. Start by subscribing to Nursing Essentials, American Nurses Association, ANA Blog, Nursing Times, Medscape, PubMed Alerts, or specialty sites like Oncology Nursing Society, if that's your jam. But here's the AI twist. Use a tool like Perplexity AI or ChatGPT to summarize feeds. Perplexity is free and acts like a smart search engine. It pulls real-time info without hallucinations. Set it up by creating a custom prompt. For example, summarize the latest nursing news from ANA, CDC, and Medscape. Focus on clinical guidelines, patient safety, and tech innovations. Keep it under 300 words. Save that as a bookmark or in your Notes app. Daily, just paste it in, boom, 2-minute read. If you want audio for your commute, try Ground News or Artifact, now part of Yahoo, which use AI to bias check and summarize articles. For nurses, add filters for healthcare, nursing, or evidence-based practice. Pro tip, link it to Google Alerts. Set alerts for keywords like Nursing Guidelines 2025 or AI in healthcare. Google emails you links, then feed them to ChatGPT for a quick digest. Extract key takeaways for nurses from these articles. Setup time, 10 minutes max. Daily time, 1-2-minute scanning. Now for research papers, nurses dread wading through dense PDFs. AI to the rescue with tools like Elicit or Consensus. These are AI research assistants. Elicit scans academic databases like PubMed and gives plain English summaries. Query: what's new in pressure ulcer prevention for bedridden patients? It pulls studies, rates evidence strength, and lists implications for practice. Free tier is solid, paid is $10 a month for more. Daily habit. Spend 2 minutes on one query related to your shift, like post-op care if you're in surgery. Bonus, if you're in a specialty, use Semantic Scholar's AI features. It recommends papers based on your interests. Upload your resume or a list of topics, and it builds a personalized feed. Nurses in critical care? Focus on sepsis protocols or ventilator management updates. This keeps you CEU ready without hours of searching. Moving to the core of your routine, AI-generated summaries. This is where you save the most time. Imagine waking up to a personalized briefing, like a morning report but for global nursing news. ChatGPT is your best friend here, especially the free version or GPT 4.0 if you upgrade. Create a daily ritual. Open the app, mobile or web, and use a prompt like this. Act as my nursing update assistant. Pull from reliable sources. Summarize top 3 news items in nursing today, including 1 research highlight, 1 policy change, and 1 tech tip. Make it nurse-friendly. Explain how it affects daily practice. End with a quick quiz question. Why a quiz? Active recall boosts retention. For example, AI might say, new AHA guidelines on hypertension quiz. What's the new target BP for diabetic patients? Answer it mentally in 30 seconds. This turns passive reading into learning. Time, 3 minutes. For audio lovers, use 11 Labs or Murph AI to turn text summaries into podcasts. Paste your ChatGPT output. Generate a 2-minute voiceover in a calm, nurse-like voice. Listen while brushing your teeth. Free trials available. Plans start at $5 a month. Tailor it further. If you're a pediatric nurse, add focus on pediatrics to prompts. ER? Emphasize emergency protocols. This ensures relevance, no wasting time on irrelevant oncology if you're in psych. Another gem, Notion AI or Evernote with AI integration. Clip articles throughout the week, then ask AI to summarize my nursing notes from the past 7 days. It organizes into bullet points, wins, warnings, and watchouts. For example, win, new app for medication interactions, warning, recall on certain IV bags. Daily check 1 minute. And don't sleep on social media AI. Twitter, now X, has Grok AI for summaries. Query latest nursing trends on X for quick hits, or use LinkedIn's AI to summarize feeds from nursing groups. Join communities like Nurses Who Tech. AI pulls key discussions. Now for those aha moments, AI alerts, and deep dives. Set up push notifications so info comes to you. Use IFTTT if this then that with AI. Recipe. If new article on Medscape about nurse staffing ratios, then send to ChatGPT for summary, email to you. Time, set up once, daily glance 1 minute. For critical updates, try Zapier integrated with AI. Connect to nursing apps like NurseGrid or ShiftKey, zap new guidelines to your phone as summarized texts. Example, Zap. New OSHA safety rule, summarize implications for hospital nurses. Deep dives without derailing your day. Tools like Claude AI or Gemini excel here. They're great for explaining complex topics. Prompt. Break down the latest NEJM study on nurse burnout in simple terms. What can I apply tomorrow? It gives steps, not jargon. Limit to 1 per day, 2 minutes. Nurses in education or leadership? Use AI for policy tracking. Query. Track changes in HIPAA for telehealth nursing. AI monitors and alerts on shifts. Privacy note, as nurses we're HIPAA pros. Stick to de-identified queries. Don't input patient data. Tools like these are secure, but always double-check sources. AI isn't infallible, so verify with official sites. Let's level up. Integrate AI with your EHR or apps. If your hospital uses Epic or Cerner, some have AI add-ons for updates. Ask IT. Otherwise, use browser extensions like Glimpse, AI summarizer for web pages. Highlight a guideline PDF, get instant key points. For multilingual nurses, AI translates updates. Prompt ChatGPT. Translate and summarize this Spanish nursing journal article into English, focusing on cultural competence in care. Track your progress. Use AI journals. Apps like Reflect or Day 1 with AI log. What I learned today. and AI suggests connections to past entries. This sepsis update links to last month's antibiotic resistance news. Community power. Join AI nursing Discord or Reddit groups. Use AI to summarize threads. Summarize our nursing top posts this week on work-life balance. Budget-friendly? All basics are free. Scale up. Perplexity Pro, $20 a month for unlimited queries, or ChatGPT Plus, $20 for advanced models. Section 5 header, potential pitfalls and how to avoid them. Quick reality check. AI can hallucinate, invent facts. Always cross-reference. For nursing, stick to evidence-based sources. Ignore if AI cites sketchy blogs. Overwhelm? Start small, one tool, one prompt. Build from there. Burnout from info overload? Set boundaries. 10 minutes means 10 minutes. Ethical side, AI doesn't replace judgment. Use it to inform, not decide patient care. All right, let's recap your 10-minute routine. 1. Morning 2-min AI news summary via Perplexity or ChatGPT. 2. Midday 3-min research query on Elicit. 3. Evening 2-min quiz and alerts check. 4. Weekly 3-min deep dive. That's it. Informed, efficient, and still time for coffee. As a nurse, you're already a superhero. AI just gives you X-ray vision for knowledge. If you loved this, smash that like button, subscribe to the AI Nurse for more AI hacks, and comment your favorite tool below. Download my free prompt template in the description. Copy, paste, conquer. See you next time. Stay healthy, stay smart.